Hey guys, Dave V here with Factory 5 Racing. Today we're taking a look at some engine mounts. Specifically, these are our 302 engine mounts, so these are for your small block Ford. We label them as 302, 351 because those are your most kind of common options. But these have full fitment for your 289, 302, 347, 363, 351, and the small block 427. So that's really important. If you're going with a blueprint 427 or another variant of the 351, 427 kind of combo there, these are the motor mounts you're going to want to use. These are an energy suspension mounts. You can see polyurethane bushings right in the middle here. Everything's plated so you're not dealing with corrosion or rust, and they're super supportive. And that's the biggest thing with these. When you're building your car, you want all the support you can get for your engine, especially if you're going a little bit more high horsepower like that 427. You're going to need the support. Your small block Ford mounts from your Mustangs or other applications just don't have the support you really need. So if you're going to build your kit, these come with all of your complete kits. So this is all included. If you go to your base kit, they aren't included, but they are an upgrade option. So in that case, I definitely recommend them. Pick up a set of these. They're not crazy expensive. It totally takes your build to the next level as far as support for your engine. So if you're taking a look at these on our order form for your Roadsters, Coupes, or Hot Rods, 351, 302 engine mounts, again, small block 427, that includes the blueprint and all of your other variants, your strokers and bored out small block Fords. If you want to pick these up, give us a call, take a look at our website, be able to grab these for a pretty good deal.